is for apple, apple so red, crunchy and juicy, yum when you're fed. Apples grow on apple trees, healthy fruit for you and me. Apple, apple, A. B is for banana, yellow and long. Peel it, eat it, sing this song. Bananas give us energy, jump and play so happily. Banana, banana, B. C is for cherry, small and sweet, tiny fruit that's fun to eat. Cherries grow in pairs, you see, red and shiny on a tree. Cherry, cherry, C. D is for date, chewy and brown, sweet little fruit that grows around. Dates grow high and palm trees tall, tiny fruit beloved by all. Date, do. Fruits, 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 ABC fruits, healthy, yummy, sweet and cute. Sing along and learn with me, fruits from A to Z. G is for grape, purple and green, juicy, round and super clean. Grapes grow in bunches tight, snack on grapes, such a delight. Grape, Jew. K is for kiwi, fuzzy outside, green inside, a fun surprise. Kiwi tastes so fresh and sweet, vitamin C in every bite. Kiwi, K. L is for lemon, yellow and sour, make a funny face, wow, what power! Lemons help us stay so well, smell so fresh, can you tell? Lemon, L. M is for mango, juicy and bright, orange and yellow, pure delight. Mangoes grow where the sun is strong, sweet, delicious all day long. Mango, M. O is for orange, round and sweet, peel the skin and take a treat. Oranges give vitamin C, strong and healthy, you and me. Orange, O. Fruits, it's ABC fruits, healthy, yummy, sweet and cute. Sing along and learn with me, fruits from A to Z. P is for peach, soft and round, juicy flavor, yummy sound. Peaches grow in sunshine warm, sweet and fuzzy, perfect form. Peach, P. P is for pear, green or gold, sweet and juicy, never old. Pears help tummy feel just right, crunchy snack, take a bite. Pear, P. P is for pineapple, spiky outside, sweet inside, a fun surprise. Pineapples grow up on the ground, tropical fruit, big and round. Pineapple, P. S is for strawberry, red with seeds, sweet little fruit that everyone needs. Strawberries grow close to the ground, healthy snack that can be found. Strawberry, S. T is for tomato, red and bright. Is it fruit? Yes, that's right. Tomatoes help us grow up strong, juicy fruit, sing along. Tomato, T. W is for watermelon, big and round, lots of juice, splashy sound. Green outside and red inside, perfect for a summer ride. Watermelon, W. B is for blueberry, tiny and blue, little fruit that's good for you. Blueberries help your brain stay bright, small and sweet, take a bite. Blueberry, B. Fruits, A, B, C, real soon. Sing this song again real soon. Do.